What we are going to do now? You look left and right. Okay, go on. Jesus Christ. Before we start this video, I want everybody go check out the Millionaire Gang. This channel reviews anything about luxury and lifestyle. So if you want to know how much car Drake have or the type of car where Rihanna have or house where them living or anything about celebrity and lifestyle and luxury, you can check out this channel. Them also do giveaways weekly. So go over there. In order to enter them giveaway, you have to like, comment, subscribe. You have to especially subscribe. So go over there and check them out. And you know, stay tuned to them content and see if you can win something for yourself. Now let's start the video. Subscribe to Millionaire Gang. Squad. Me a laugh already because I know una laugh when you see the title. Today, me gonna teach my sister how to drive. Oh my God. My sister is a very nonchalant person. I don't know what to expect from her, but today I'm going to teach her. I just feel like I can get some entertainment out of this for myself. Me, my mother, my brother, and my other sister, and other family member can watch this and laugh. But if she do good, you know, say, we don't know if to laugh about, but I'm going to put her to the test. So, I'm going to teach her how to drive. Yo, I'm not going to talk too much. See you, I'm not going to talk too much. So ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime. So today we have the special person on my channel. This is my sister Yannick. My sister is a very official girl, you know, working class lady, the typical nice lady and thing. She doesn't talk much, you know one thing, but she going like she can't mash hands, but today we're gonna see. But before we start off the video, you tell me say somebody did teach you one time. How long was the lesson? Like one whole day?
No, it was a month.
You have to speak up, you know.
Oh, a month.
One? No. Them teach you every day now a month?
No, 4 Sundays for a month.
So me say you have little knowledge then?
Yeah, little knowledge. Years ago.
How long?
6 years ago.
So you drive a vehicle from that?
No.
So that means me a teacher, you're an apprentice, then are you for teach me?
Years ago. So
Hold on. What is?
it break something. You use it to not make your car move.
Break something.
Break.
What is?
You use this to change it from park, reverse.
Backside, but you know what's girl.
Yeah,
what N mean?
Neutral.
I don't know.
Neutral.
Oh, what do you mean?
Drive.
Okay.
And they have changed it from different gear.
Wait the box! Hold on!
Yeah, me did learn a lot. Me just couldn't catch a reverse. If you use it 2 mirror plus.
Which man still don't teach you how to drive?
My co-worker.
Which co-worker that?
When me work at KFC.
A Chase?
No.
So which man that? Chase. Oh you fit me a call up on you. Oh you fit allow Yannick to go sit down in a car. When mommy did there?
Every Sunday some mommy a little bit home.
So mommy know about this?
Yeah.
No.
I learned to drive.
I call my mother, you know, cause right now this thing I get out of hand, you know. No real thing, you know. I call my mommy.
Yeah man, we always go down to bottom.
We? You and him and me?
Me and him.
Alone?
Yes.
In a car?
I'm a co-worker.
A man?
Yes. You know me have a male best friend, right?
No.
Yeah, I have a male best friend.
Let's see. No, look at me if you come back in my people in my life. Look at me call back. No, me. What you say? You are man. So with no church you figure Yannick?
Sunday evening.
Mommy. Jody tell me say she did have somebody teach her how to drive so Sunday. A true thing?
Yeah man.
So what me did there?
When I go work for AFC.
So no church Jody for the past Sunday daytime?
Eh?
No church Jody for the Sunday daytime?
No, my wife used to work at KFC and sometimes the guy come over here and show in the evening part.
Which party come over yard?
Yes, right over here. a guy used to and she drive right on this day.
So you not going to carry them, mommy?
I never used to go in a car. I'm going in a car for.
Alright, mommy, later.
So, when you reach a pen already?
No, me pen where I go.
Okay.
Me so come. Me there in a scheme.
Alright.
Alright. You know, say my mother slack up. Mommy, you slack up. Mommy, you're not who you used to be. You make come here. Get up.
Look here.
Get up. Me not joke. Get up. Hold on there. Get up. Come around us. Girl have money when I teach him off. And mommy sit down in her house and talk about you. Sit down.
It wasn't this. It was the car we have to change. The gear.
Man, not teach you to drive a standard.
Standard. Yeah. Him say when you learn to drive a standard, it's easier to drive a.
No, tell me something how long now. Are your best friend see me?
When my friend say me, he's
So-
not my best friend, me I say, me have a male best friend.
So him was what in your life?
Friend.
So friend that teach you to drive stick?
Yeah, me have a lot of male friends who good to me like that, teach me to drive. My best friend always say, "I'll come let me drive a car sometime." But yeah, so what I do?
Well, I mean a shock.
Come.
Well, alright then. See tire there, if you can't go forward, you got lick in the tire. So you more do. You say more you reverse first, because you say that you can't do.
Yeah, that's my problem.
Why first thing you do? You can't put your shoes with this Jody, because if you go on the pedal and you stop this, so you can't go. You see me? No man, you have to take your shoes, put over this. So which two pedal they down there, so?
This a gas and this a brake.
So hold on. How you drive with the 2 foot and the 2 pedal?
No, 1 foot.
Something alright?
Oh, which boy teacher they sitting here, Jody? Alright, so more you reverse. You carry on everything. What you do first?
Keep my foot on the gas.
Put your foot on the gas and you go reverse.
Help me!
On the brake.
Jody, you have right foot, Jody. Take your left foot off
the
the
brake.
brake.
Me use left.
So you use the left, put over, way over, put the right over there, sir?
Alright, come.
Put your foot on the brake, Jody. Foot for the on the brake. Squeeze it. Put on your handbrake. Put the car in the reverse now. Backside. It will go back, you know. Before you take up your foot off the brake, if you see, you see if you wrap the steering wheel so, it will go to that side. If you wrap it so, it will go to that side. Now, more you can't back so you wrap it to that side.
So?
Yeah. You have to take up your foot little. No, Jody, you wrap it to so. Take up your foot little off right now. Take up your foot. You can't move, you know. Touch the clear gas. Alright, wrap. Stop, put it on the brake. So me gonna access it. Put it on the brake, you can't move same way. No! Never access it. Which man teach you to drive on the tape? Hey, stop wrapping the steering wheel. Oh, you never on a seatbelt. Oh, you never on a seat.
Because
the first road code rule. Me sit down on me and watch you.
I think we did
We think we did what?
use no seatbelt. We used to be driving a car without seatbelt.
Who tell us you can drive in a car without seatbelt? Seatbelt are the first rule in my car.
That's true.
So here what you gonna do now? Wrap it back so now. And make your car go back. Come on, want it straight now. I want it look like I over so you want to run go. Jody, you know, if you wrap it so long, you know. Alright, straighten it up now. Yeah man, just go back, my missus. Go back. Oh yeah, girl. Yeah. But wait. Yeah, slow down. Yeah. Okay, so police are come over here so too. Alright, here you go do now. Put the car in a drive. I'm gonna make you drive through tire them. Go on. Yeah, in a drive, Jody. Hold on, don't move the car. Take your foot, put it. Pull on your window. Police there, people.
Yes, officer.
Want you go straight and turn it right.
Alright.
Go on. May I teach my sister how to drive, officer? Alright, bless. Hold on, make them pass.
Yeah, make them pass at first.
Mm.
nowhere. You
Oh.
can call the police.
Cap.
Alright. What? You ain't know. More you guy like ya. Yeah, push it through them tired, right? They're so tired. Alright, make it carry move now. Look! You know, so we look up and dead. When you just press.
The lick up and then.
Yeah, but you press gas. Move the car now.
Then what I gonna do?
So move it now.
You take you out to drive?
No! No, sir! So how you can't go drive if you not pee, Jody? Put it through there, sir. What? Direct the traffic, Jody. Put it through there. You know, you look up that tire, you have to steer, you have to steer, you have to steer! Straight, stop. Okay. Stop. Me say stop, where you move your car for? When the police stop, you quiet, say, when the man say, alright, so yes sir, this is my brother, you have to quickly identify so in car, them man nowadays no play.
Yeah, me know.
You can't say, yes sir, yes, this is my brother, put you didn't make him man. Me have my contraband for me and them thing there.
Me have a lot of police friends and they say remain calm when police approach you.
So you have man with driving in a car, you have police. But me not do a job.
Me know, me not young, me old.
Alright, here me want you do. Me go want you go round this. Want your camera on it. Turn. Me want you go back out to the goal post. Go on. Turn and go on now. So that they say you have to turn, you know, so you have to start turning from now, you know. Take your time to, you know. Straighten up your wheel, Jody. Alright, go. Drive 3 goal. Let me see if you're accurate.
Can go through that.
Jody, look on the big old white space you have to be if you can't go through there. Okay. No, but man teach you if you drive, girl. No, sir. Alright, now. Rapid road, we go back out there now. But no, sir. So what kind of other friend you have? Come and have to intervene back in your life, you know.
I have police friend, soldier friend, lawyer friend, doctor friend.
So we just have a bag of friends. We just keep a lot of friends like that. Alright, stop. Stop the car. You have to fully stop the car. Pull up the brake. No, Joe, even you have to carry it. You see? Alright, look.
Oh.
You see me if I press it. Oh yeah, go on good so far. Stop. Go on. Let me carry it on the road and then we make your car run. Yeah. Oh, but she has surprised me. She do a little thing. No, sir. I forgot. No, sir, I forgot to step on the road. I left here 2 years and by the time I come back, oh no man.
That was before you left though.
So what me did there? You a man go drive on Sunday day time.
Yes, yeah, you try me to work at KFC, so you did your yard, of course.
Whoa.
That time.
Okay.
About 5-6 years now. 5 years.
Tell me as much as you can tell me, can look like
More.
look like a whole heap of things that Miss White now do nothing, you know. Me tell mommy stop be a parent. See car there, you know, if you pass the car. See big old lump in that road there, you know, so what you gotta do? Steer, man. Jody, you know steer. Go on. Go on. Pass over the hump here and go back over on your side of the road. Which side of the road are your side? Eh?
This side.
Where this side name?
Left side.
Okay, go on. No, sir. You know, if I try to rub the bank in, you know, Jody, just go. Here we are going to do now. Man, you take that left here. Slow down. Slow down. Yes, slow before you take your corner. Put on your indicator. We know what happened. Okay, but you know. Go on. I don't want to stop sign, but you have to slow down. Turn the car. Make it go off a little bit there, yeah. Go on. Straighten the car, Jody. Straighten the car, Jody. Go on. Go on.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, you know about your seatbelt. You know for the dynamic road though. Go on. Straighten.
Which way?
Left way I go. You have to slow down and look, Jody. Jody, you have to slow down and look. You look? You look down the road? Alright, turn on the indicator. Go on. Go on. Don't be banking too much. Okay? Go on. Straighten up. Go on, man. Give me a little gas, man. You drive well covered for somebody who look like you know a little sitting. And stay in your lane always. Yeah, go on. Okay, what you not saying? Jody, you gotta go over in there, right, Jody? Because nobody knows. Go on. Stay one more for right, man. Yeah. Pass me, go on. But Jody, your hand them a confuse me on the wheel though, Jody. Your hand a wrap over like a gift. Like a present. Your hand is a wrap. Alright, go on. Straighten, Jody. Keep straight. Keep straight. Go on. Give me the little gas now, man. Jody, you're in there. You know you try to pick your little road stay, but your hand them little bit too flexible right now because you wrap all boat.
You know, see a pay patrol.
I said you a side patrol or a spin the wheel. You know about patrol. Go on. But wait. We are going to take a left going up. What we are going to do now? You look left and right. Okay, go on. Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Sorry, but...
Hey, put that in my bed. Jody, take third. Yeah, what? You put your foot on the gas pedal, Yannick. Gas pedal, Yannick. Yeah. See there. Straighten up with something now and go on. Straighten up with something now and go on, Yannick. Yeah. Alright, go on, go on. Here we are going to do. No, here more you do though. Pull over here, son. Yeah, right. Stop. Stop your car. Stop your car. Jesus. Alright. Jody, I don't like how I see you're 2 foot on the 2 pedal at a time. 1 foot
because
pedal. No, because nothing.
No.
What?
1 foot there on the gas and 1 there on the pedal.
No, I don't see. This is madness. You will crash, Jody, with the pan. Imagine that driver with the pan.
Imagine me a driver not rock 2 foot.
Here, come over and give me. I carry your back here. Here's something, yeah.
You will make people crash it up with your excitement.
You know, go bad still. But you have a lot left to learn. But me have to go up right now because I need to go talk to my mother because I don't understand how man come and teach you bag of sitting. I understand Sunday when you're there at church, you're there. I don't even know where man car you go, but I don't even come in a car.
I have to come in a car. I don't say driving lesson go. I don't come in a car to learn to driving lesson. This something come to you with me.
Hey, mommy, tell me something. I don't understand. Oh, you have your daughter, man, I give your daughter a lesson for Sunday day time when she be at church. Me say, we don't know what she say, but mommy, you not do your job, but just I tell you.
But if you ever see woman and give lesson?
My mother not do your job, don't tell me that, mommy.
No,
you not do your job, mommy, because oh, Jody have man teach him how to drive for Sunday when he be at church.
They know that though.
You see,
Look here, what kind of man?
Him both your friend.
Hey,
we don't know of that, mommy. You don't know. Oh, you know.
Look here, suppose I got this woman want to come money, you know.
Hey.
You can't buy one car and make she can't carry me to church.
Yes, that is true, man. But me I say which man, you don't know which man.
No, I want good.
How you know?
He's a co-worker. I know him.
Mommy, I saw we tell all the while coach girl used to be my good friend and all family we never know about. But you go and go to Jody. Hey, mommy, she have a little knowledge, you know. She have a little knowledge.
She's supposed to have a... Yeah, me,
She moved the car, but she afraid.
So wait, when Jason gone up so with the car, I'm not seeing come back though. I say no man, when Jason gone up in that scheme gone do.
Hmm.
So put that camera up on me, you know.
Go on, man.